So we're about to take a ship through Holland Bay.
Yes.
You excited?
Yes.
You cold?
Yes.
It's never too cold for a picture. Oh, you got the cats and the dogs right there.
I am feeling cold despite jeans, you know, it's that one.
Richie, how you doing?
I feel cool.
Well, I think we're gonna have a nice view up here. It keeps getting nicer and nicer. We have a lot of steps to go though. Going down into the cave. Are you impressed by this cave?
Yes, very impressed.
This is a huge cave.
Yeah.
It looks like Bigfoot fell through the ceiling of the cave with his feet hanging down. And above that looks like a lizard's head or something. So that is where the cave was. We parked the boat over there, they dropped us off, we walked up, entered. The huge opening was right in there. Thank you, sir.
You're welcome.
Whoa! Wait. Oh, Dustin, you're heavier than me. We just ate, guys, and I think we're not level. La, 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 la. It's huge. It's like a nose.
So I think this right here is the only way in and out.
Yeah.
It's so quiet out here. It's so cool. All right, so it's Richie's turn. I'm gonna sit back and relax.
Where are we going?
At least we can't get lost out here.
Oh no. Whoa.
That was one of the slowest close calls ever. So if you can see that tiny opening over there is where we came from.
Oh, there's a big rock. Oh my god. Help.
There's the two monkeys. They own this whole area.
Oh. Wait. Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh.
Hold on.
We're sinking. We have a hole in the boat now.
Help. Oh my gosh.
We're okay. Look at the monkey.
Hoo-hoo-ha. Hoo-hoo-ha.
Same direction.
All right, this is our last stop. We're gonna climb some stairs. There's actually a beach if you did want to swim. Tit Top Island. Nice beach area. This way is the stairs. There's only one way up and then one way down.
Yeah, and I don't feel cold anymore.
Yeah, this cures coldness.
Yeah, it's like making a better room.
'Alright guys, so we made it back. It was a good long day. Recommend the tour of Halong Bay. Really cool. Lots of different activities you can do. So,
One tip,
yeah, what's the tip?
bring jacket.
Yes, bring some warm clothes. And you can swim, so bring some extra clothes if you don't want to swim. We're about to get in the bus. I think that's ours. If not, we're gonna wait here. But see you guys later, and we'll see you guys next video.